Would you like to become an Excel expert? How will you feel if you could impress your teammates with awesome Excel dashboards? Every business requires an MIS executive to create analytical reports that help their management team with data-backed decision-making. Advanced Excel skills can help business owners to understand business forecasts. Employees with advanced Excel knowledge manage to get their jobs done much faster, have better eligibility for promotions, and have great potential for career growth. KLiC Advanced Excel course will make you an Excel expert, with features like applying custom formats, scenarios, pivot tables and charts, sharing workbooks, data filters, data validation, SUMIF, COUNTIF, VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, if formulas, conditional formatting, etc. It covers more than 90% of the MBA Excel syllabus. Enroll for the KLiC Advanced Excel course right now and become an MKCL certified Excel expert.